Hi there, students. Toothsome, an adjective. Toothsomely, the adverb, and toothsomeness, the noun, the quality. Okay, toothsome we use nowadays to mean delicious. So I had a really toothsome meal. My mum's food is really toothsome. It tastes really good. It's appetizing. It's tempting. Yum, yum. What toothsome food. It's delicious. It's delectable. It's yummy and scrumptious and appetizing. Okay, so toothsome, tasty, particularly well tasting. But then you can go further with this and you can use it to mean pleasant or attractive. So they had some very toothsome electronic equipment on sale. Pleasant, attractive. He made me a very toothsome offer. Something that I wanted, something that was very attractive. And then you can go further with this and say that somebody is very toothsome. They are very attractive. They're sexually attractive. So there was a toothsome girl standing there winking at me. I wish I was still a toothsome young man rather than an old teacher. And you can just about as well use this word toothsome to talk about food that's got a good texture. So when pasta is al dente, I think it's more toothsome. It's got a better feel to it. Toothsome as well, perhaps, showing lots of teeth. She gave me a toothsome smile. Okay, so that was quite a few. Something that's delicious, toothsome food, a toothsome pie, a toothsome curry, toothsome Chinese food, and then something that's pleasant or attractive. So they made me a very toothsome offer, a very interesting offer. It was an offer that I wanted to take. It was tempting. And then a person can be toothsome. They can be good looking, handsome, pretty. So a toothsome girl. I'm no longer the toothsome young man that I used to be. Well, many years ago. And then toothsome. Something that's got a nice feeling, a nice texture to it. I guess toothsome lettuce that's crunchy and not flaccid. Toothsome pasta that's got a bit of bite to it. And even a toothsome smile with lots and lots of teeth. A toothy grin. A toothsome grin. And I think all of those effectively. So something that tastes good. Yum, that was such a toothsome meal they gave me. Something that's very attractive, something that's very alluring. There were some really toothsome items on sale in the shop, and I would really like to have bought some of them, but I just didn't have any money. And then toothsome. It's got this good, nice texture to it when you eat it, or a toothsome smile, a toothsome grin. So the heroine of the novel was a toothsome superwoman who could do anything. I find Chinese noodles extremely toothsome with fresh herbs. He gave a very toothsome performance, a good quality performance. There was a very toothsome looking computer for only €400. I thought it was quite good value. And then your toothsome smile. So the origin, well, it comes from teeth, toothy. I think originally tooth talked about tasty, so you have a sweet tooth. And formality, toothsome. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5, 6. I think use it anywhere, but it's slightly more on the semi-formal side. So, toothsome.